Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Who would have thought that these clips right here can be used for multiple things? Let me show you how. I use this medium binder clips as a bookmark whenever I have a notebook or whenever I'm reading a book. I also love using it to close all of my packages, for example, my walnuts, my popcorn, or any frozen vegetables. This is also very nice to have your office organized whenever you're having the charging cords. They're not hanging, you're not stepping on them, so this is super practical. And of course, making my mail look organized is hard, but with these clips, it makes it so easy. These are the perfect size. They're 1.25 inches. They have a very good grip. I literally use these for everything, and I love that they're durable. They're tempered steel material and rust resistant. I have had other clips that are plastic and break so easily. These have by far lasted me the longest. I highly recommend these, but that is just my point of view.